Yes, here we go with the second practical of class 11th, and the practical is study of micrometer screw gauge. We are using this instrument to measure the diameter of the given wire and calculate its area of cross section and the thickness of glass plate. The apparatus which we are going to use for this experiment is screw gauge, wire and glass plate. Let's have a quick look on diagram and its labeling. This is micrometer screw gauge. Here in this gap we are going to fit that object. This is stud and screw. This is pitch scale. From this circular scale and pitch scale value, we are going to find out least count of this instrument with the same formula, that is smallest division on pitch scale to the total number of divisions on circular scale, and this is thimble. Now, which formula we are going to use is least count is equal to pitch divided by total number of divisions on circular scale, and we are going to find out area of cross section with the formula A is equal to pi r square. Again, there are few errors and their conditions for this instrument too. Let's start one by one. The first one is same as vernier caliper. If the zero of pitch and zero of circular scale are exactly coincide, then that error is no zero error. If the zero on pitch scale is above the zero on circular scale, that is positive zero error. And if the zero of pitch scale is below the zero of circular scale, then that is called as negative zero error. What to find and how to find? Let's discuss about procedure. We are going to fit that object in the given gap of micrometer screw gauge. Then we are going to find out the main scale, it means the pitch scale on the instrument, and coinciding division as a circular scale. Now, when we consider the pitch value, it means the smallest division on main scale, that is 1 millimeter. Number of full rotation given to the screw, that is n is equal to 4. It means pitch is equal to distance upon number of divisions, 4 by 4, 1 millimeter. Number of divisions on circular scale, 100. Least count is pitch upon total number of divisions on circular scale, 1 upon 100, 0.001 centimeter. When we are going to consider the observation table regarding this, we have to find out zero error for that instrument and check whether that is the positive error or negative error. For wire and for glass plate, again the calculations and observation table are same. First of all, we have to find out main scale reading. Then we have to find out coinciding division on circular scale. Then we are going to combine that both values and find out total reading, that is main scale plus circular scale into least count. Then add or subtract zero error from that reading and find out corrected reading. Then take a mean of these both readings and find out the final value as the mean value. Exactly what we are going to calculate? We are going to calculate mean diameter of the wire, then radius of the wire by dividing diameter by 2. Area of cross section A is equal to pi r square and thickness of glass plate. As a result, we will display diameter of wire in the form of centimeter, the area of cross section of given wire in centimeter square, and thickness of glass plate in the centimeter form. Which precautions we are supposed to take during this experiment? The first one, rotate the screw in the one direction to avoid black cache error, as well as do not apply undue pressure while turning the micrometer screw. Thank you. Hello, let's start a demo of micrometer screw gauge, and for this, as per our PPT, we know that which requirement we required. First one, we want 1 micrometer screw gauge. This is your micrometer screw gauge. We required 1 wire. We are using 1 refill as a wire, and third one, we require a glass plate. Now, first of all, we have to find out the error or zero error of this instrument. How to find out that? We know that. Let's fit the micrometer screw gauge according to our instructions and find out zeroth position of your circular scale and pitch scale or main scale. This is your pitch scale over here, and this is your circular scale on your instrument. Now we know that there are total 5 lines. You can see it very easily. There are 5 lines within half centimeter. So value of each single line is 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeter on pitch scale, and there are total 100 divisions over here on your circular scale. You can see it easily. Now when I fit this instrument, I have to check whether there is error or not. If there is error, then I have to check whether it is a positive zero error or negative zero error. So when I fit this instrument, I can check that the zero of pitch scale is above the zero of main scale. I repeat, zero of pitch scale is above the zero of main scale. That's why this error is considered as the positive zero error. Now what's the value of that error? So I can see it's the +4 error because of 4 divisions of main scale are exactly below the zero of pitch scale. Now we have to find out the least count of this instrument. For that, we know that smallest division on main scale divided by total number of divisions on vernier scale. Here we consider main scale as the pitch scale and vernier scale as a circular scale. Now within 5 millimeter there are 5 lines, so value of each line is 1 millimeter. In the centimeter form, it's a 0.1 centimeter, and there are total 100 divisions on the circular scale. That's why least count of this instrument is 0.1 divided by 100, that is 0.001 centimeter. Now first of all, we have to take the reading of glass plate. We are going to find out thickness of glass plate. Now let's fit this instrument in the micrometer screw gauge. Now how to fit it? You have to place the instrument or object in the gap of stud and screw, then find out its value of pitch scale and main scale or circular scale. Look at here, it covers 4 lines on the pitch scale. It exactly adjusted with the 4th line. It means 0.1 centimeter, 0.2 centimeter and 0.3 centimeter over here. So main scale is a 0.3 centimeter. Now you can see the exactly coinciding division is 96. So the coinciding division value is 96. That is, your circular scale is 96. We know the formula. It's main scale plus vernier scale into least count. Your main scale was 0.3. Your least count is 0.001 and your circular scale is 96. When you substitute these all values in given formula, you'll get 0.3 plus 96 into 0.001, the final reading will be 0.396 centimeter. In this way, you can find out thickness of glass plate. Similarly, we have to find out thickness or diameter of the wire. So you can just adjust this wire like this. For the 3 positions of wire, you can find out 3 different values of thickness. First of all, you'll place it at one end, then middle, then end. You can find out 3 different readings of the wire, and finally, as a result, we have to find out mean diameter of the wire, radius, its area and thickness of glass plate. Thank you.